Today we're going to unbox a HalfGen Basecamp system. So this is pretty cool. I love Jetboil. See what it's about. Boom. Okay, there is instruction, fuel regulator, and there is your actual stove. Still pretty compact, but the reason why they call it Basecamp because they make much smaller ones for hiking. This is just to camp out right next to your truck. Oh wow, that's so cute. Check this out. Does this come off? It has to be. Nice. This come off for cleaning. That is nice. So cute. I thought it would be a lot bigger one. Like folding one is way bigger stuff. And it comes with one of these pens. Beautiful. Okay, where is the fuel regulator? Boom. Looks like it's connectable to multiple stoves on a one tank, which is kind of nice. That way you don't have to bring in with your multiple tanks. And again, it's not super portable, but still miniature for those Basecamp stoves. That's pretty beautiful. And as you can see, you get another fuel regulator connected to the next one. If you have two of them, and then plug it in to the gas tank. And to start it, you adjust it and strike it. There you go. Okay, that's super powerful and highly adjustable. That's nice. And there is a little red dot over here, like wire. It tells you if it's on or off during the daytime. At nighttime, you're obviously going to see it. Okay, let's turn it on in somewhat darkness. This is on maximum. As you can see, plenty of flame, like really powerful. It's nice. And then you can slowly adjust it. Look how well it's adjusting. That's a high quality stuff, right? So it's going to get dark after a while, but it honestly makes it look better. So it will change its color. Okay, let's take it apart. First of all, obviously we're gonna take off this gas. It's nice. It's a lot smaller than the folding one I showed you before. It looks really compact and comfortable. You know what? The bottom actually heats up, so I wouldn't set it up on a plastic table or anything like that because it will melt it. That's kind of good to know. So it's on the legs and you want it on some kind of concrete table or something that is not going to overheat, because the bottom gets really hot. That's good to know, because a lot of this kind of stoves, the bottom don't heat up that much. So if you're going to do it on plastic table, I'm afraid it might melt it because it's really hot. It's kind of cool that there's a can opener right here. Okay, and then we can put it all away. Very nice.